Unlocking the world of percentages, practical exercises. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of numbers in English, focusing specifically on percentages. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand percentages but also be able to handle various percentage problems. Let's dive in. Percentages represent parts out of 100. The term comes from the Latin percentum, which means by the hundred. Percentage is a way to express ratios and proportions in our daily life. For example, if 30 out of 100 students in a class are girls, we can say that 30% of the students are girls. Now, let's get our hands dirty with some practical problems. 1. If 70% of a number is 35, what is the number? Remember, when we say 70% of a number, it means 70 parts out of 100 of that number. To solve, we can set up the equation 70/100 *x equals 35 and solve for x. 2. What is 15% of 200? This is straightforward. 15 parts out of 100 of 200. Using our formula from before, we calculate 15/100 *200. In daily life, we often talk about percentages to describe increase or decrease. For example, if a product's price goes from $10 to $15, we have a 50% increase. If it goes from $10 to $5, it's a 50% decrease. Let's look at an example. A product was originally priced at $40. After a discount, the price is now $32. What is the percentage decrease? The difference between the original price and the discounted price is $8. The percentage decrease is therefore 8/40 *100%. Well done on making it through those practice exercises. With consistent practice, percentages will soon become a breeze for you. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect when learning English, and that applies to numbers too. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.